Dear DA, I would like to use customer data I already have in Marketing Cloud to target an advertising campaign on one of my social media platforms. Can you help? Thanks. What are we learning today? First, we'll talk about what advertising audiences is and where you can create an advertising audience in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Then we will cover the capabilities of advertising audiences. And then we will show you how to create two different audiences in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, one using the segment model and one using the journey builder model. What is advertising audiences? Advertising audiences allows you to use Marketing Cloud data to target your digital advertising campaigns across various platforms. You can create audiences based on list or data extensions in your Marketing Cloud account. You can then choose which platform you would like to push your audience to, and the system will match your audience to existing users for that specific platform. Finally, in your social platform, you will see the matched audience push through from Marketing Cloud, where you can serve up the customized advertisements you have created. As a note, advertising audiences is not a platform where you would create advertisements or serve up advertisements. The following social media accounts are available to link to your advertising audiences in Salesforce Marketing Cloud: Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, and Snapchat. To find the Advertising Audiences application in Marketing Cloud, hover over the Advertising Studio application and find Advertising Audiences in the dropdown. Once you're in the application, you'll be able to see how many audiences you have live, some statistics on your audiences, and how many total contacts you've pushed through to your social account. And on the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see all of your audiences that you currently have. You can see here that we only have 2 right now, but if we had more, I would be able to filter on the left-hand side here based on the status of my audience, the date it was created, or the social network that I'm pushing to. And if I want to get more granular details about any of my audiences, I can click into them to find the more detailed reporting that I'm looking for. Once you are in the Advertising Audiences tool, click on the Administration tab. Then choose the icon for the social platform you would like to integrate. On the pop-up screen, type in the username and password for your social media platform, and then hit the Authorize App button. On the next pop-up, you will choose the account that you would like to link and then hit Save. You will then see your new configured account, and it is now available to choose when setting up new audiences.
Let's quickly compare the two different kinds of audiences you might encounter for advertising audience. A batch segment audience is like a one-time predefined group. It can be refreshed if needed, but the group is manually taken out from the whole. Journey audience is updated in real time. You can pull in new subscribers at any point. It's basically peeling off from the whole after each send. To take a deeper look at the difference between the batch segment versus journey audience setup, we turn to our client, Digital Additive Plus, or Digital Additive Additive, a new streaming service that has original TV shows, classic movies, and hours of content to enjoy at home. For their first business strategy, they want to create a re-engagement campaign for folks that have canceled in the last 30 days. They want to bring past subscribers back into the fold to start enjoying DA Plus content again. To start, we would populate the DE with subscribers that meet that criteria, a look back 30 days ago to see who canceled their subscription on that date. Now that we have the population within the data extension needed, let's navigate to advertising audiences to create a new audience. Make sure to name the audience with a descriptive title. Now select the social media account you want to utilize. With our example, we'll use the Twitter account. Then select the data extension option, navigate and find the DE that was made for the campaign. Then double check the details. And you can choose to receive email notifications if any event occurs or once the audience upload is complete, the audience is refreshed, or if an error occurs. Save and then activate. From there, you can choose to either refresh the audience manually or refresh on a scheduled cadence. In this case, we'll select to refresh every day at 5 a.m. And now you can see the audience is being processed. For their second business strategy, the streaming company wants to create an onboarding journey where the welcome email encourages new subscribers to bundle the base DA Plus content with a premium add-on, the Criterion Collection of Movies. They also want to test this promo on half of their audience. To start, we'll begin in Journey Builder. Select the journey and then use the data extension option as the entry source. From there, select the advertising audience data extension created. Next, select Add Audience to place within your journey. In this case, we'll place it after the random split in the journey. We'll name the audience and then select the destination, in this case, Twitter. Select the social media account and then check your details and hit Done. Now we can save the journey. Everything is set. If you then go to Advertising Audience, you can see the population that was created.
Once you connect your audience in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, it should look something like this in your social account to be able to serve your ad. Let's recap what we learned in this video. First, we talked about what advertising audiences is, and then we learned what the capabilities of advertising audiences are, and then we showed you how to create two different advertising audiences within Marketing Cloud, the segment model and the journey builder model.